we have introduced a job scheduler called Univa Grid Engine. The flow of computation using UGE is as follows. The user registers the computational resources to be used and the computational contents in UGE. UGE issues a job ID to the user. UGE assigns the jobs to available computers to perform computation based on the registered information. The end of computation is not notified to the user, so the user must use the qstat command to check the job's execution status. Job registration to UGE is performed using a job script that describes the computation details. Job scripts are basically written as shell script, but they can also be written in other languages. Specify the language to use with the option of the interpreter that executes the job script. The command described in the job script is executed. Options other than the interpreter specification: queue, memory size, CPU number, maximum execution time, etc. can be described in the job script as in this example, or by using the command line option of the qsub command when registering the job. If nothing is specified, the default value described here will be used. Use the qsub command to register the computation in UGE. When you execute the qsub command, UGE issues a job ID. Use the qstat command to check the job execution status. When you execute the qstat command, the user's jobs who execute the qstat command are listed. As you can see, job ID I just registered is displayed. When the job finishes, job ID disappears from this list. You can use the qreport command to check the information of the jobs that have finished executing. The output of the qreport command looks like this. When the job normally ends, the value of failed becomes 0. Any other number indicates that the job did not complete successfully for some reason.